In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a timeline in Google Docs. Whether you're planning a project, creating a presentation, or you simply want to visualize events in order, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs document and click where you want to insert your timeline. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top of your screen, then select Drawing and choose New. This opens a blank drawing canvas where you can start creating your timeline. Next, click on the Shapes icon and choose the arrow or line shapes to represent different points along your timeline. You can add multiple arrows at different positions on the line to indicate important events or milestones. Follow the on-screen options to adjust the size, color, and orientation of the arrows. It's very user-friendly and intuitive. Once your arrows are in place, use the text box option to add descriptions for each event on your timeline. This allows you to provide context for each milestone and makes your timeline easy to understand at a glance. You can also format the text by changing the font size, color, or alignment to make it more visually appealing. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your events are arranged chronologically, leave enough space between arrows for readability, and double-check spelling and dates before finalizing. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent confusion later. Once you've finished adding your shapes and text, click Save and Close. After that, your timeline will appear directly in your Google Docs document, perfectly formatted and ready to use. It's also a good idea to adjust the placement or size if needed so it fits well with the rest of your content. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a clear, professional timeline in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need to visualize their projects. Why not make someone's day easier?